I'm going to try and remove some logos from some cups. I think all of these are silk screened. So I'm going to try this Eastwood Powder Coat and Paint Dissolver. You definitely should test out in a section that's not very obvious before you begin. That way you don't remove it. But in my experience, this doesn't work that fast, and the powder coat is tougher than usually the ink or paint that's on it. So give this a shot, see how it works. So just gonna apply it very gently on there, a little bit at a time. Work it, and I can already see that the paint is starting to dissolve. So the real question is, will it leave a mark? Will it damage the black paint? This paint dissolver is a very strong base, and if you get it on your hands, you won't seem like it's doing much damage right away, but trust me, it will dry out your hands and you will lose several layers of skin. So definitely wear eye and hand protection, and just clean it up when you're done. Manufacturer recommends cleaning up with acetone once you're done, especially if you're going to paint it. Give this a shot here. Again, I'm working with an acid brush, which I trim to make it a little bit stiffer. Kind of work it in there. And I think I got it all. So let's try this rag. See how we did. Yeah, it's definitely softening up the paint, but we've successfully removed the logo. So there's just a little bit of a shadow left. I think for me that's okay. I mean, you definitely could just cover this with a sticker or something, but sometimes you have like a nice cup that for whatever reason that you want to get rid of it. Whatever excuse you got. Maybe it was a gift, maybe it's a place you don't work anymore, and you still like the cup, so instead of just tossing it out or donating it, get some life out of it. Let's see how this does. I mean, this stuff's pretty strong, so you should know if it's going to do anything fairly quickly. Once it starts to work and soak in, as you agitate it, you'll see it start to rub off. But some's going to require more work than others. Now this one seems like it's not going to come off. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely cleaned it up really well, but it has not really, not like the other one. You will not need very much. So that I've used that. I bought that stuff to remove powder coating from some projects I did, and it didn't turn out very well. And removing powder coating can be very, very tough. Sandblasting, is pretty harsh, especially if you've already prepped it and cleaned it. So it's kind of a good little product to have around. I don't think this is going to come off. Whatever they used here It's not being dissolved. And there's a good chance I'm going to remove the paint around it before we get to it. It won't do anything to anodizing. So if it's something that's anodized and it has like silkscreen on top of it, it will definitely remove it. But yeah, we'll try something else on that one.